Make a great choice today with the 2020 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 8 speakers, center armrest, fog lights, compass, trip computer, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, black door handles, 4-piece floor mat set. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.